Connect Ethernet from machine to PC.
Select NC operation. Select Settings, slide vertical soft key. Select Setting Parameter option and Other. Press S2 Function button. Click Next Page soft key until Get Embed Port option and click that. Enter the IP address and subnet mask in the respective field. Restart and execute to save the changes. Go back and select Focus 2. Enter the port number and time interval as shown in screen. Restart and execute to save the changes. Go to PC. Search, run and open. Type CMD and press OK. Type ping and IP address as shown in video and press Enter button. Close the window and proceed further if there is no error. Check and resolve if any error occurs.
Type and search, turn Windows features on or off, and open. Select and expand SMB 1.0 CIFS file sharing support. Then select the SMB 1.0 CIFS automatic removal, then press OK to save the changes. Restart now the computer. Right-click the folder and open Properties.
Select Sharing at top and click Share button. Click drop-down arrow and select Everyone. Then press Add. Select Read or Write permission for everyone. Press Share, then Done. Select Advanced Sharing. Check Share this folder and give full control permission. Then apply and save it.
Note the highlighted folder path. Select Setting in Home screen. Then select Shared Folder Registration in Network Settings. Click Add Soft Key and enter the required details as shown in video, like folder name, folder path, username and password. Note: 1. Program name anything it can be, same name is not mandatory. 2. Instead of slash, use yen symbol. Press OK to complete the setup. Now go to Program Manager window in NC Operation screen to ensure the folder availability. Now you can see the folder which shared from PC and its program files.